And if you want your tolerances to be even smaller, you could always go back into your planes here. You could change your little tolerances to be tighter or wider, whatever you need to do. But it's all very flexible and generative. So I really love this. I've been doing it a lot lately. And so I just wanted to update this course and just share with y'all what I've been doing. Another cool thing you can do is add modifiers to this. So say if we even took this plane and did G and X and brought it over here to the side, we could add an array modifier and maybe do the relative offset. I'm just going to zero this out, and let's go down the Y here. Oh, no, sorry. And it looks like the Z, because we rotated it, this plane actually has 90-degree rotation on it. So I'm just going to fix that real quick. Let's just zero that out, and let's do Control A to reset the rotation. And notice everything's zeroed out. Now we should be able to move it down the X as it should be. So we could do like 1, maybe even a little bit bigger. Let's do like 10. Oh, that's too much. Oh, I did 110, not that. Let's do like 50. There we go. Maybe even less than that, 25. There we go. And so now you can see we're starting to get these little slices, and you can even increase the count. And looky there, we've got tons and tons of slices that we could even, G and X, kind of even that up, go from the front. So now I'm just having fun and just kind of playing. But I just want to show you the power of this slicing technique that you can do crazy amounts of, insane details and get lots of parts really quickly and, have it very adjustable on the fly. But that's just one thing I wanted to show y'all. So hopefully y'all get as excited as I do learning about these types of things. And let's go into the next lesson where we're going to talk about how to do it with objects. So I'm just going to put that back in the center there. I'll do Alt-G. That'll center it up there. And let's go ahead and save it.